Understanding about the videotaping? What's your understanding now of video?
20 feet from the fence is all I know.
From the animal compound? It's still 20 feet from the animal compound? Okay. Who's in charge tonight at here?
For the arena?
Yeah.
I believe it's Chris Bird.
Okay, you should check with them, because I gave him an email from my lawyer that also CC'd his lawyer, and I've been videotaping less than 20 feet.
Okay.
So if you're going to arrest me...
If it's just from your lawyer, I can't do anything about something.
No, it needs to be from him. I talked to him about it.
It's got to be from the MCIA.
It is from the MCIA lawyer.
As long as they have new instructions, they want to give it to me, that's fine. But if they don't, I have to go with the original letter from May 14th, which is all I have currently.
Right, but
I don't have anything different.
The letter says leafleters, and the letter says leafleters, and I'm not leafleter. And the email that comes from Catherine Tamachik, which is the lawyer for the MCIA, specifically says if they're not leafleting, they're allowed like any other member of the public. Okay. So if you're going to arrest me, I need to know that now, because I am going to go do that tonight.
Did anyone say they were going to arrest you?
You did the other day.
Because the other day it was a 20-feet rule. If there's been a change, I'll research that, and if you're allowed there, you're allowed there.
Okay.
Like I told you before, you have a right to protest. Just like Ringling Brothers has a right to have this show on, and the people here have a right to come enjoy this show. So, if everybody respects everyone else's rights, we'll have no problems. That's all we're asking. Everyone respect the rules and everyone else's rights. We're not trying to be the Gestapo or give you a hard time. We're stopping you from doing what is your constitutional right to protest. Okay? We're just enforcing the rules and the law, which is our job.
The problem is that the rules are not getting communicated to you. That's what the problem is.
Well,
I gave the rules to Chris Bird, and we should have communicated it to you.
Just brought it to my attention. I told you I'll research it.
Okay.
If it's changed, then that's what we'll do. If he tells me it hasn't changed, then we'll address it at the
If he says it's still 20 feet,
that's something you would have to take up between whoever, MCIA and your attorney.
Well, then we have the same situation that we had on Sunday, where you'll come up to me and you'll tell me to move. I mean, you're not going to arrest me right away, right? I mean, you'll give me a warning. Okay, because I am going to do that tonight, just to give you a heads up.
Okay. I talked to Chris Bird. He said you're allowed to videotape like any other public person up on the fence line. Just like anyone else, you can't obviously touch the fence, move the fence. As long as you don't have any pamphlets or anything else that you can pass out on you, then you're just like any other public. But if you have the pamphlets on you, that's no good. You have to be 20 feet away. Okay? So that's what he said. That's fine. I just asked you don't block any of their access in or out, for them to move, which are the two gates down there. If you want to go up to the other portions of the fence, that's fine. Okay? It is a working driveway, I'll tell you. I can't ensure your safety. I understand cars are coming. I'm going to advise you, don't stand up there in the middle of a street. But if you do that, that's on you, okay?
Well, I know that when you were here on Sunday, there was a sheriff right there, and a mother and her daughter came over, and the sheriff, a sheriff officer actually accompanied the mother and daughter to stand there and watch the elephant. So it's sort of like, it's unsafe for me, but not for a mother and her daughter.
I don't have an officer to give to you to do that. Is what I'm saying. We're still in the middle of letting the show a lot of traffic.
I think I can do it myself.
That's fine. I'm just advising you, though. It is a working driveway. You have your back turned to traffic. Okay? You're at your own risk, and I'm advising you just to be safe. Okay?
Absolutely.
All right?
Okay, thanks.